Y'all, I am in Walmart getting an oil change, which is bad because I am shopping around the store. It's like an hour and a half wait for my oil change. So I'm shopping and buying stuff I don't need, which is not good. What do I get? What do I get? Look at these two purses. It's on sale. Good deals. Check them out. Look at that. Cute. It was $16.97. On sale for $6. Now that's a good deal. And here's another one. Look at that. Cute. And it's on sale for $8. I don't know what it was. Oh, it was $22. And now it's $8. That's a good deal. So those are two purses I did not plan on getting, but they're on sale. Good deal. I think I'm gonna get them. And then I have this stuff for my car. That's, I feel I need too, because I always want to clean my dashboard and stuff. Keep that clean. And my cup holders. And my windows, my windshield at night. It seems like it always needs to be washed. It's like always like a film on it, to where the lights seem like it's like a big glare. I don't know, maybe I need glasses. And protectant goes along with the cleaning stuff. Protect the inside of the car. And of course have it smelling good. So I feel I need all that stuff. Do I? Excuse me. I don't think I really do, but I think I'm getting it. Plus it's some good deals on those purses, and I cannot pass it up. Yeah.